Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will learn about measurements. In today's chapter we will learn about relating different units of measurement, measurement of length, mass and capacity, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, basic operations and estimating measures. So let's start with relating different units of measurement. These tables show the relation between different units of measurement of length, mass and capacity. So let's have a look. Here is the relation between the units of length. You can see there are other units that help convert units from bigger to smaller units, and vice versa. So first we have the millimeter, which is 1/1000th of a meter, the centimeter, which is 1/100th of a meter, the decimeter, which is 1/10th of a meter. The basic unit of length is meters. Decameter is 10 meters. Hectometer is 100 meters. And a kilometer is 1000 meters. Here is the relation between the units of mass. We have the milligram, which is 1/1000th of a gram, the centigram, which is 1/100th of a gram, decigram, which is 1/10th of a gram. The basic unit of mass is grams. Decagram is 10 grams. Hectogram is 100 grams and a kilogram is 1000 grams. Here is the relation between the units of capacity. We have the millimeter, which is 1/1000th of a liter, the centiliter, which is 1/100th of a liter, the deciliter, which is 1/10th of a liter. The basic unit of capacity is liter. A decaliter is 10 liters. Hectoliter is 100 liters. And a kiloliter is 1000 liters. Measurement of length, mass and capacity. Converting higher units to lower units. So, have a look at this table here, which shows how we can convert higher units to lower units. To convert higher units to lower units, we have to multiply by 10, 100 or 1000. Here we can see the differentiated units from thousands to 100, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths and thousands. In the thousands category, we have the kilogram, kilometer and kiloliter. The hundredths has a hectometer, hectogram and hectoliters. Tens are for the decameter, decagram and decaliter. Ones is for the basic unit, which is meter, grams and liter. The tenths stand for decimeter, decigram and deciliter. The hundredths are for the centimeters, centigram and centiliters. And the thousands stand for milligrams, millimeters and milliliters. Here is an example. Let's convert 87 kilometers 50 centimeters to centimeters. So here we see that 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. According to the table, it is 5 jumps of 10 each, which makes it 1 lakh. So 87 kilometers into 1 lakh equals to 87 lakhs centimeter. Now, if we add the given centimeter, we get 87 kilometers and 50 centimeters is equal to 87 lakh centimeters plus 50 centimeters, which is 87 lakh 50 centimeters. Converting lower units to higher units. When we convert higher units to lower units, we multiply the given number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. But when we have to convert the lower units into higher units, we divide the number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Let's see with an example. Let's convert 25 centimeters into kilometers. Now we know that 1 lakh centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer, which means 25 centimeter would be 25 divided by 1 lakh, which equals to 0.00025 kilometers. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. Let's fill in the blanks. The height of a traffic light is 165 centimeters. When converted into millimeters, that would be 1650 millimeters. Since 1 centimeter is equal to 10 milliliters. We now have to convert 879 decimeters to hectometers. Now we know that 1 hectometer is equal to 1000 decimeters. So to convert from a low unit to a higher unit, we need to divide 879 by 1000. So 879 decimeters is equal to 0.879 hectometers. We now have to write the weights of the given objects. We need to write 0.045 kgs in grams. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 0.045 kilograms in grams would be 0.045 into 1000, which is 45 grams. We now have to write the capacity as directed. We need to convert 0.30 liters to milliliters. Now we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. We have to multiply 0.30 liters into 1000, which gives us the answer as 300 milliliters. Addition and subtraction. To add or subtract, we must convert all the given measurements into one same unit and then continue with addition or subtraction. Let's understand this with an example. So let's add 32 meters and 52 meters 9 centimeters. Now let's place all the numbers in the given columns according to the units of measurement, which is meters and centimeters. We place 32 and 52 in the meters column and 0 and 9 in the centimeters column. On addition, the answer is 84 meters 9 centimeters. Now let's add 3 kg 425 grams plus 35 kg 5 grams plus 192 kgs plus 23 kgs and 55 grams. We have to express this answer in kilograms. So we have to convert all the given values into kilograms. So 3 kg 425 grams becomes 3.425 kg. 35 kg 5 grams becomes 35.005 kg. 192 kg remains the same. 23 kg 55 grams becomes 23.055 kilograms. On adding all the values, we get the answer as 253.485 kilograms. Now let's subtract the following. Let's subtract 17 grams 56 milligrams from 25 grams 4 grams. Now let's subtract 17 grams 56 milligrams from 25 grams 4 milligrams. We have to express our answer in milligrams. So let's convert all the given values into milligrams. 17 grams and 56 milligrams is equal to 17,056 milligrams. And 25 grams 4 milligrams is equal to 25,004 milligrams. We write the smaller number below the bigger number and then subtract. On subtraction, the answer is 7,948 milligrams. Multiplication and division. Let's learn how to multiply and divide using some examples. Let's multiply 4 hectometers, 2 decameters and 3 decimeters into 6 and express the answer in hectometers. Now, 1000 decimeters is equal to 1 hectometer. So let's convert the given numbers. 4 hectometers would be 4000 decimeters, 2 decameters would be 200 decimeters and 3 decimeters. The total value is 4203 decimeters. To convert this value into hectometers, we need to divide it by 1000. So 4203 divided by 1000 is 4.203 hectometers. When we multiply that with 6, the final answer is 25.218 hectometers. Now let's divide 8,996 milliliters by 4 and express the answer in liters. We know that 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 8996 milliliters is equal to 8.996 liters. When we divide 8.996 liters by 4, the final answer is 2.249 liters. Some basic operations. Now, let's learn some basic operations using word problems. Have a look at this picture. This is a victory stand in a school. Here are the measures shown in the figure. What is the height of the stand in millimeters and the length of the base in centimeters? So the height of the stand would be 1.15 meters plus 1.15 meters, which is 2.30 meters. Now we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So 2.30 meters into 1000 is 2300 millimeters. Now let's find the length of the base, which is 1.45 plus 1.45 plus 1.45 meters, which is 4.35 meters. To convert this into centimeters, we must multiply 4.35 meters into 100. Makes it 435 centimeters. So the length of the base of the stand is 435 centimeters. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. So here is a box of sweets, which has sweets weighing 3 kg in total. If each piece of sweet weighs 50 grams, how many sweets are there in the box? It is simple. We need to convert the 3 kgs into grams and then divide the given values. Now we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kgs would be 3000 grams. Since each piece of sweet weighs 50 grams, we divide 3000 with 50. On division, the answer is 60. So there are 60 pieces of sweets in the box. Estimating measures. In real life, we don't know the real measurement of a lot of things. So we estimate the measure. And to estimate a measure, we must know the measure of the real thing. To estimate a measure, we compare it with a known measure. Have a look at these pictures. So the thickness of a pencil lead is about 1 millimeter. The length of an ant is about 1 centimeter. The weight of a feather is about 1 milligrams. And the weight of a cake is about 1 kilograms. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. Now let's choose the most appropriate options for the given objects. The estimate weight of a key would be 30 grams, 300 grams or 2 kgs. We know that a key is very light, so 30 grams would be the correct option.